Using ChatGPT alone is a mistake. If you don't combine it with other AI tools, you are leaving insane results on the table. I will show you free AI tools that multiplies what ChatGPT can do, and by the end of this video, you will know the best free AI tools that work perfectly with ChatGPT. And mind you, this setup is what I use for my own content, right? So let's start with the first one. So the first one is ChatGPT plus Google Docs. So what this does is that it turns ChatGPT into a full writing assistant, right? So how to use this tool, right? You have to ask ChatGPT to generate content. Then after generating, you have to copy it and paste it into Google Docs, right? Now let's take this for example. Write a professional email explaining a project delay in a calm tone, right? And after this, I just have to copy this email, right, and paste it in Docs. Now Docs will help me edit it, format it. And why I so much love this tool is because it's 100% free, and it's also perfect for email, script, essay, and this alone replaces multiple paid writing tools, right? So number 2, ChatGPT plus Grammarly. Now what this particular tool does is that it fixes grammar, tone and clarity after ChatGPT writes. Once ChatGPT gives idea, Grammarly makes it sound human and professional. Now this is how to use it. You have to generate text with ChatGPT, right? Copy the text you generated and paste it into Grammarly. Then apply for suggestions. And this particular tool is best for students, freelancers and business emails. So number 3, ChatGPT plus Canva. Combining these tools turn ChatGPT idea into designs. Now for example, I'll ask ChatGPT to give me 5 Instagram post idea for an AI page. Now after this, I have to copy the ideas, right, and paste it into Canva, and also choose a template and click on done. Now why this AI tool is powerful? It is free. You don't need to have a design skills, and perfect for thumbnails, posts and slides. So number 4, ChatGPT plus Bing image. This combo creates image from ChatGPT prompts. Now for example, create a modern YouTube thumbnail showing AI and productivity. Now this is powerful because you can use it to generate free image, also perfect for thumbnails, blogs and social media. So number 5, ChatGPT plus Notion. If you struggle with planning, this is for you. What this particular tool does is that it turns ChatGPT into a planner. For example, create a weekly content plan for a beginner YouTube channel about AI. Now we have to paste the results into Notion, right? So here is the workflow. Ask ChatGPT, paste it into Notion, track, edit and repeat. Now you can use this for task management, content planning and study schedules. So number 6, ChatGPT plus YouTube search. This is how smart creators find viral ideas, right? Now these particular tools help you find viral content ideas, and here is the workflow. Number 1, search topic on YouTube, and number 2, you have to copy top video title, and number 3, you have to ask ChatGPT to analyze this title and suggest best ones, right? Now this is very powerful because you are not guessing, you are already improving what already works. So quick summary, these are the 6 free AI tools and what they do, right? Mind you, common mistake beginners make is using these tools separately. The real power is combining them. And also when using these tools, always have this in mind. ChatGPT is the brain, these tools are the hands. Together they replace expensive softwares. So if you want more beginner friendly ChatGPT tutorials like this, subscribe. And don't forget, I post practical AI videos every week.